Hey there, my name's Adam, and this is my renovation on Iris Street. It's week 116, and I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. It's kind of a boring week. All I do is more drywall mudding, so let's check it out. I start the week by tackling the stray bit of corner bead that got left out last week. This week will be full of shots like this where I'm patching small areas and imperfections around the house. Filling corner bead takes a lot of mud and multiple passes. Here, I'm starting on the stairs corner bead. You guys know this drill. Time to mix up some more mud. Now, back to filling that corner bead. Tonight, I decide to mud in the bar area. This is ceiling coat number 2. On Friday, it's more mud fill in the bar area, continuing coat number 2. After mudding the bar, it's back upstairs for coat number 2 of the stairs corner bead mud fill. Happy Saturday, guys! So before I get back to the drywalling and the mudding, you can see I've got a bunch of stuff behind me. And back there, and back there, and here, and here, and there, and even down there. When Barry's drywall comes to texture my walls, all that stuff's gonna be in the way. So I'm gonna move it all downstairs tonight and do a little bit of organizing before I get back to mudding. And on that note, it's even gonna help me mud a little bit easier with all this stuff organized and out of the way. Wish me luck, it's a bunch of junk to move. Moving things downstairs turned out to be really cathartic. Something about seeing the upstairs rooms cleared out made me feel like I was making a lot of progress. At the least, the stuff won't be taking up rent in my mind anymore. Everything moved downstairs really easily, but the 12 sheets of 3/4 inch plywood gave me a good workout, especially my thumbs, which I felt the next day. With the upstairs cleared, it's back to mudding. Here I'm mudding the corner bead of the office. The last 2 rooms to tackle are the bathrooms upstairs. I start by squaring the windows in preparation for window jamb installation. The process is the same as the other window jambs you've seen, hold for the use of cement board given the wet bathroom environment. With the main bathroom jambs installed, I move on to the small bath off the master bedroom. Clearly, I'm doing a lot of mudding this week. This might be the first video where I mix 2 boxes of mud in the same week. Putting up tape is always really satisfying because you can finally start to see the finished look of a room come through. On Monday, the focus stays on the large bathroom upstairs, prepping the room for final taping. On Tuesday, the transition mudding between the cement board and the drywall gets a liberal sanding before any more mud and tape can be applied. At long last, bathroom 2 gets some corner tape to close out the week. Thanks for watching. See you back next week for week 117.